Good evening, my dear children. Welcome back to science class. In previous classes, we have learned about photosynthesis. Now, we are going to see about parasites and insectivorous plants. Are you all ready to learn, children? Yes, good. First is parasites. What is parasite? Some plants will depend on other plants for their food. They are called parasites. Plants such as dodder and mistletoe are examples of parasites. So, plants which depend on other plants for their food are called parasites. Parasites are of two types. They are total parasite and partial parasite. What are they? Total parasite and partial parasite. Now we are going to see about total parasite. Total parasite means plants that completely or totally depends on other plants for all its requirements. So plants which totally depends on other plants for its requirements are called total parasite. Example is dodder. Dodder is a total parasite because they does not have any chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is essential for photosynthesis, but this dodder does not have any chlorophyll, so it cannot make its own food. This plant will grows on another plant and get its food. So it is a total parasite. Next is partial parasite. Partial parasites are plants which is partially dependent on other plants for nutrition is known as partial parasites. So these types of plants will not depend totally on other plants, but it's depend on for partial. For example, mistletoe. So this plant has chlorophyll, so it makes their own food, but depends on other plants for water and nutrients. Next, coming to insectivorous plants. What are insectivorous plants? Plants that feed on insects are called insectivorous plants. It is strange but true. These plants are naturally found in the areas where soil lacks nutrients. So they have chlorophyll in their leaves, so they can make their own food. In order to obtain the additional nutrients, they trap the insects. So these types of plant will prepare their own food, but to take the additional nutrients, they will eat insects. Those plants are called insectivorous plants. Examples of insectivorous plants are Venus flytrap and pitcher plant. These are all about parasites and insectivorous plants. So here we are completing the first lesson. I hope all of you have understood all the topics. Yes, children? Okay, see you in the next class. Thank you.